Today we're going to talk about chemical reactions. The way that we're going to do that is by mixing vinegar and baking soda in a bottle and then watching what happens. First, you want to have the class discuss what they think will happen and make a hypothesis. So, the way that you'll do this is first get a bottle, get some vinegar, get some baking soda. You'll take the vinegar and fill it up to about where the little feet stop on the bottle. How's that? Okay. Then you'll take a balloon, which we've drawn a smiley face on because science is fun, and that's what you want them to see in this experiment. You'll put about 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 3 or 4 tablespoons of baking soda into the balloon, which you've already stretched beforehand so that it fills up completely. Okay. So once your balloon is full of baking soda, you'll attach it on top. And then you can either put it over a sink or not, depending on whether or not you're afraid that it's going to explode, but it shouldn't. And then raise the balloon up, and of course the balloon expands. And remember, science is fun. So obviously what you can see here is that there was an observable reaction. The balloon expanded. Point that out to the students. After the reaction is done and you've discussed what's happened, you can point out that what has happened here is that all of these bubbles that are occurring in the bottle are actually carbon dioxide that's being produced by the reaction. Carbon dioxide is a gas, and when gases are produced, they expand to fill the container that they're in. Because the balloon is part of the container of the bottle, the balloon also expands. Prior to class, you may want to try out different amounts of vinegar and baking soda based on the size of the balloon that you want to use and how big you want it to go. Something you want to discuss with the class is that this is a reaction. You have baking soda and vinegar as your reactants, and then the carbon dioxide that is produced is a product. Again, what's important here is that you're observing a reaction. These may be new terms to your students.